Hi everyone, it's Sudha here. Today in this video, I will want to show you how you can hide your subscribers count using your Android phone. So guys, that is basically good for new YouTubers to hide your subscribers count. So let's start it. First open Chrome browser and in search bar type www.youtube.com. So guys, here first sign in your account. I have already signed in. So you can see that at your right side the three dots at the top, so just click on this and some scroll down, and here you can see the option desktop site, so just check this box, and here you can see desktop site will be open, and depending on your internet connection it takes some time. So just click on your account, and here you can see the option YouTube Studio with small gear icon. So just click on this and you can see that our YouTube Studio will be open, and here you can see that at the end of you can see small gear icons, so just click on this, and now that will pop up on your screen. So you can see the 5 options here: journal, channel, and upload, default, permission, and community. So just click on channel, and here you can see basic info option, advanced setting, branding, and feature eligibility. So just click on advanced setting, and then some scroll down, and here you can see that subscriber count. So display the number of people subscribed to my channel. So just uncheck this, and now just click on save button, and here guys subscribe will be hide. So just refresh this. Now click on your account again, and here your channel, and you can see that my subscriber are hide now. So guys, I hope this small video will really help you. If you like the video, then click on like button, subscribe button, and share button. If you have any query, then comments below. I will see you guys in the next video. Allah Hafiz.